We are focused on CBD. Our product is from cannabis sativa, but that is cannabis sativa with less than 0.3% THC. We don't expect impact from the Canadian legalization, although it is an implicit validation from voters and a G8 government saying, look, this is the way of the future. So we're very excited about what we're seeing north of the border.
In terms of those regulations, what do you think about the way Canada has approached this, and do you think that it could potentially be a template for what we see in terms of broader cannabis regulation here in the U.S.?
Absolutely. I do believe that a lot of countries will follow Canada's lead. Canada really took a responsible approach to this. Although we don't focus heavily on the cannabis sector, we do know that they are really taking a kind of slow and thoughtful approach, initially authorizing some certain forms of products to then roll into other forms. And I think that is the right way to do it.
Now, in terms of CBD, as you mentioned, unlike THC, it doesn't cause the psychoactive effects. Can you sell, just in terms of maybe folks that aren't as familiar with what you do you already sell those products here in the U.S. and other parts of the world?
We do. Our core focus is on the U.S. market. We do have plans to expand internationally, first Western Europe, and then later South America and potentially Asia. The difference between our product and THC, that is CBD and THC, is that it doesn't have the intoxicating effect. We deliver the health benefits that are associated with cannabis as a plant, but don't deliver the intoxicating effect or the stigma or the regulatory issues.
So for investors who are trying to read the future of legislation regarding this in this country and these ag bills and McConnell's efforts, where do you look to for the best edge?
Well, I think the writing's on the wall. You're seeing such tremendous bipartisan support for this plant. It had been banned for 70 years, and we're really looking at this and saying this should be and really is an agricultural commodity. So you're seeing Mitch McConnell, of course, lead the way for his state, Kentucky, and this will replace a lot of the revenue lost by American farmers to tobacco. So we're very excited about it, and I think the future is very bright for our industry and our category.